Hello, in this video we're gonna check which gestures and motions work on a lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A14. And to do this we'll need to go for our settings, right here locate advanced features, and now we can see motions and gestures. Open it and let's check which of the options work on your lock screen. And first one is lift to wake. Turn on the screen when you pick up your phone, so this should work on a lock screen. We need to lock our phone, then pick it up in a grip, and without touching any button it should wake up, just like that. Now next thing is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. Let's try it out on the lock screen. And it works fine as it's meant for it. Next is alert when phone picked up. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. If you enable it, it should work on your lock screen, so if you receive any message or call during your phone lockdown, let's say, you should receive a small vibration when you pick it up. Turn over to mute. If you flip your phone over like that, you can lock a screen. It will mute all incoming calls, and that one works on your lock screen as well. So by far it seems all of the features work on a lock screen. And last one is finger sensor gestures, and here you'll be able to open and close the notification bar like that, using your fingerprint sensor. And let's try it out. Fingerprint sensor is located right here. We can lock our phone, and I think it needs to be waken up like that. And does it work? I think on the lock screen we don't get it, but let's try when it's unlocked. Yep, when it's unlocked it works fine. So that's the only feature that doesn't work when your Samsung Galaxy A14 is locked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.